One of the main reasons that playing games for me is such a cinematic experience is because of this monitor. The Samsung Odyssey G8 ultrawide monitor has completely transformed how I actually play video games. It's not just the size or the fact that it's an OLED, it's the vibe. And today I'll walk you through my experience of using this monitor for quite some time. And if you are looking to get a ultra-wide monitor, you should. First, let's start with the look. 34-inch, 21:9 aspect ratio, curved OLED panel. And by the way, this is the Samsung's latest Odyssey version. So this uses the Samsung's Gen 3 QD-OLED technology. Then you have the thin bezels, CoreSync RGB backlight on the rear. It looks so sleek, futuristic, but minimal. Even the backside of this monitor looks so premium. The back panel is actually made out of high quality polycarbonate plastic with a metallic like finish. And boy, when I turn off the lights and start a game, it genuinely feels like I'm in a theater and I'm part of the game. I get a VR experience without the use of a VR. I have played quite a variety of games on this monitor, and most of the games that I have played support the 21:9 aspect ratio. However, there are some games that do not support this. Most of these games are the older games. Still, even with the black bars, it just looks so fantastic. This monitor also has a built-in Xbox app, so even if you're not connected to a PC or any gaming console, you can just go ahead and start playing video games through the monitor itself by just connecting your controller and making sure you're signed in. This also has a 175Hz refresh rate, 0.03 millisecond response time, so not only just 4K, but 175Hz refresh rate. When I was playing games like Clair, Obscur, it was just a fantastic experience. Obviously, the game itself is so beautiful, but playing on this monitor just really, truly made it a classic. This monitor does have built-in speakers, so not all the time I have to wear my headsets. For the sake of demonstration purposes, I have recorded a video which I hope justifies how it actually sounds. Let's talk about some of the downsides of having this monitor. First one, which is very obvious, is that some games are not supported. So obviously you have to play with the black bars. Now, for me personally, I'm kind of okay with it, but I do know that some other individuals might not be 100% satisfied with it. And secondly, if you want to watch any YouTube video on full screen, again, you're going to have the black bar. Could be a problem for some people or an issue, but others might be completely okay with it. But overall, the Odyssey G8 has definitely redefined what my setup feels like. It does it for the gaming, it's about the vibe, the workflow, creative space. It definitely looks so amazing on my desky desk. Let me know in the comment section if you guys have used an ultrawide before or you currently own one, and I love to check out you guys' review.